Hello, welcome back down here on the expo floor where we're going to be talking all things IoT. I've got with me Michael Garcia. Michael, tell us a bit about what you do here at AWS.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So I work as a product solution architect in the IoT service team.
Okay.
So I help customers deploy IoT solutions on top of AWS. And when we do this, at the same time, we gather feedback from our customers. So then I inject that back to the service team to improve our products and also launch new products to help customers.
Fantastic. So for our viewers, tell us a bit about how IoT is manifesting in the consumer today.
Yeah, so in the consumer space, customers are doing IoT for two main reasons. First one is to create new customer experience to delight their customers. And the second one is to improve their products. So on the first one, you have customers like Vizio. They're creating, smart TV, and then they can integrate with voice assistant like Amazon Alexa. So as a consumer, you can then control your TV. And to improve on their products, if I talk about iRobot, for instance, they're gathering.
I love a bit of iRobot, Michael.
Very famous. So so they have their vacuum cleaners, and they're also looking at like the battery usage from those cleaners to make sure they can size the battery, the right way. So that way they can save costs to not, design a battery that you wouldn't use and that would be too big. So they're able to save on costs for their customers and use that as well to improve the products.
Okay, so what about from a device manufacturer point of view? How are they using IoT today?
So they're using a lot of our services because we help them remove the undifferentiated heavy lifting. So when you have your device manufacturer, you have to connect all your devices to the cloud, make sure you can collect the data, process the data, send over-the-air updates to your fleet of devices when you're rolling out new features for your consumers. And so we have a lot of services for all of that. And if I talk specifically about IoT Core to give you an idea of what it is.
That would be great.
So you're connecting more and more devices every day, and we scale everything in the background. You don't have to do anything as a device manufacturer. You just sell more devices, they just connect to the platform, and you don't have that worry, personally to deal with millions of devices.
So you mentioned scale there, Michael. How else is AWS helping these people?
So in addition to the services, there's a lot of training materials and
Well, everyone knows I love training, Michael, so I like that you plugged that one.
Well, so there's a specific training called the IoT Foundation series. So I would recommend it. It is free, so you can just go online. All online, so you just go, it's free, and you can get started. So if you're looking to create connected products, that's a great point to start.
Fantastic. So you're based out at the area at the minute. Yep. Tell us about the connected home that you've built over at the area.
Yeah. So there's
You personally built.
And so there's a connected space at the area. So anyone interested in IoT, I would recommend they go there. I was there myself yesterday.
Are you going to be there later today?
Later today, yeah, I might be there as well. And so there's a lot of demo of industrial equipment, and we have this space specifically designed for connected home. So you can walk into this home with a living room.
An actual home.
An actual home. And then you see all those showcase of devices, and there's one that I particularly like. It's a light switch devices that is built from iDevices. That's the name of the company. And what they did is that they integrated with Alexa voice service. So you have Alexa inside the light switch, and it's a very, very small device, and it's actually leveraging one of the features that we released a week ago to integrate with Alexa. And so now all the microcontrollers can integrate very easily with Alexa. So you can expect, in the coming months and coming years to see more of those devices that are very small, constrained like microcontroller, very cheap, but now connected with Alexa as well.
Fantastic, Michael. It's super cool to hear some of the things you have going on over at the area in the connected home. Please go check it out and say hello to Michael. For now, thank you, and back to the main stage.